In order to write earnings in ADP dashboard, make sure that a connector is already there, which has payroll permissions, and you have appropriate permissions to view employees' employment information in ADP. Open the connectors page to locate the connector which has ADP Payroll Write permissions. Make sure that the data has been synced. Then we need to get the ID of the employee for who we want to add earnings. To get that, we will call the Bindbee Unified APIs. Go to the documentation docs.bindbee.dev and select the Get Employees API. You will need to add API key and X-connector token headers in the API to get the results. You can get the API key from the dashboard's API key section. To get the connector token, go to the connector we had just opened and copy the connector token. Paste the credentials appropriately and click on Send. Copy the ID of the employee for which you want to add earnings. Next, open the Create Employee Payroll Run endpoint in the documentation. Copy the endpoint and create a request in Postman or any other tool of your choice. Copy the API key and X-connector token that we had created above, and add those headers in the Postman request. Get the request body from the documentation and paste the employee ID that we can copy from the employee API call. Next, get the payroll file from ADP dashboard by going into the People section. Then going into the Employment Profile section. In the position card, you can view the file number there. Copy it and paste it in the Postman request body. Add process name as per your choice, and for earnings, I want to add 2 JSON objects. The code BN represents bonus, and R represents regular earning in ADP. I will add $0.3 for both of them, resulting in gross amount of $0.6. Then I will call this request. Make sure that there are correct connector token and API key added in headers. We can see that we get a request success here. To confirm if the earning was created in ADP, go to the ADP dashboard and click on Process tab. Go to Payroll dashboard. Open Manage Payroll, locate the name that you gave for the payroll, which in this case was New Year bonus. You can open it to verify the bonus and regular earnings in the worksheet. We can confirm that we have added a bonus of $0.3 and $0.3 in regular earnings.